Hello guys, class 10th A2 students. Today I explain linear equation of two variable. Okay, linear equation of two variables. Okay, linear equation two variables. What are two variables? Variables is x, y, z, a, b, c up to dot dot dot. Which variables, which is value are change anywhere any condition that can of variables. Variables x, y, z, otherwise a, b, c. I explain here two variables. That means one linear equation which is contain two variables. What is linear equation? What is linear equation? What is linear equation? Linear equation is if we saw any equation and greatest power is 1, that called linear equation. If I write here x plus 5, this is a variable's greatest power is 1. This is linear equation, but it is one variable. So, where here he has one variable contained, that means this is a one variable. If we write 5 plus 3, this is also one variable and linear equation. Why? This variable has one powers. And now we use two variables x plus y equal to 5. X one variable, y is the second variable. That means this is a linear equation of two variable. Why? This is a one power and here contain one power. Okay. Now, but I learn here two equation. Why? Because here two variable, that means we solving two equations. Okay, if we has three variable, then we gives three equations. That means x plus y plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 6y equal to minus 3. Any equation. That means this is a linear pair of variables to and solving. Standard value are here ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a standard value of linear equation. In your syllabus we use two variables, so I write here a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 equal to 0. That is the pair of two. First has coefficient x equal to a, coefficient y equal to b, and constant value is c. But here we write here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. That means there is two equations. So I write here a1 and here a2, b1, here b2, c1, c2. That means coefficient of first equation x a1, coefficient of second equation x a2, coefficient of y say first equation b1 and second b2. We write here and now that means a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here we saw two equation and every equation three conditions. First condition unique solution. I repeat again, first condition unique solution, second condition many solution, and third condition no solution. First condition unique solution. Okay, first condition unique solution. I explain unique solution when b a1 upon a2 find out and find out to b1 upon b2, and I saw what condition are make there a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. This is a unique. That means when we solve this equations, given equation, and we find out the answer. Okay, if we use any two equation and we find out a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2. Then these are not equal. That means this here is a unique solution. Okay, there is a unique solution. And when we solve here, we find out the value of x and y. And now I explain second condition. I explain second condition. Second condition are here. Second condition I use here. When we find out a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. Then we saw same value here. a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. We saw same value here. That means this is a a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. When a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, then we find out c1 upon c2. Okay, then we find out c1 upon c2. Here we find out two conditions. First condition, if c1 upon c2 are equal a1 upon a2 equal b1 upon b2. That means there are many solutions. There are many solutions. And otherwise c1 upon c2 does not equal to a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. That means there is a no solution. So I repeat and explain again. We use two equation solving two variables. Okay, where we find out three condition. First condition, second condition and third condition. Okay, first condition, unique solution. Unique, first condition, unique. Okay, unique solution. Okay, second condition, many condition या infinite condition. Okay, infinity solution and many solution. Okay, infinity solution या many solution. Many means one more than and other no solution. Okay, no solution. Okay, so I where a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. And first condition, second condition, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. And third condition are a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. First, unique. ठीक है, unique solution. Second, many solution या infinity solution. Yeah, no solution. Okay, I repeat again. B studying here three condition of one pair of two variable. Unique solution. Unique solution has a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. Many solution या infinity solution more than one. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. If the three values are common, that means many solution. And a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 does not equal to c1 upon c2. That means there is no solution. Okay. In this, I solve these equations by graph also. Okay.